Good day everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating on how a tutor or a student user can edit or even delete their own blog post that they have posted. So I will demonstrate how a tutor can edit their blog post first since we are on the tutor dashboard, and later on we'll move on to a student account. So the edit and delete function can be found under your blog. And as you can see here, there is a edit blog post button and a delete blog post button that is found under each blog post. So now let's try to edit this blog post. Let's change this to demo blog edit, and let's remove this and see editing. And let's submit. And as you can see here, the blog post has been updated successfully. So now let's return back to the main blog page to see our updated blog. And here you can see this is our blog post that we have just edited, and the title has been changed, and as well as the content, and also the last modified date and time has been updated. So now let's test the edit blog post form validation. So if a user were to submit an empty form, the system will display these error messages saying content must be included for each field. So now let's return back to the blog page to demonstrate the delete a blog post function. So now there has been an error noted for this feature. So if a blog post do contain comments under them, it will not be deleted, but if a blog post does not contain any comments under them, it will be deleted from the database. So now let's demonstrate this error. So this blog post does contain comments under them, so let's try to delete that. Select delete, so confirming delete for this blog post that was uploaded on this particular date, and selecting yes will permanently delete this blog post. Select yes, and it has been deleted. But as you can see here, the blog post still exists in the database. So now let's try to delete a blog post that does not contain any comments. So as you can see here, no comments has been made so far for this blog post. So now let's try to delete that. And let's confirm delete, and selecting no will take us back to the main blog page and will not delete the blog record. So let's select that, and the blog post has been deleted. And now as you can see here, the blog post no longer exists. So now let's move on to the student side to demonstrate this feature as well. So let's use that. And it is also found under your blogs. So let's try to edit this blog post. Let's remove that and see editing. Let's remove that and see blog edit. And let's click edit. And as you can see here, it has been updated successfully. So now let's return back to the main blog page to see our updated blog, and as you can see here, it has been updated, the title has been changed as well as the content and the last modified date and time. So the validation also exists on this edit form, so if an empty form were to be submitted, the system will display these error messages. Now let's demonstrate the delete a blog post function. Now the error also exists on the student side as well. So if we were to delete this blog post which do contain comments, it will not be deleted. So as you can see here, it still exists within the database. Now let's try to delete this blog post which does not contain any comments, as you can see here. So let's delete, let's select yes to permanently delete this blog post. And as you can see here, it says blog post has been deleted. Now let's confirm, and as you can see here, it does not exist anymore. So now to recap, only a tutor and a student can either edit or delete any blog post that they have made, And as seen from this demonstration, there are validation put in place to prevent any database errors or any accidental record deletion. And also the errors have been noted in the group report. So this concludes our demonstration video, and thank you for watching.